Streams live. Charts are set. ORB ready. Alpine's best. Welcome in. Sunrise glow. Markets in sight. Fairways green. Futures take flight. Porsche on the road. Chasing the day. Alpine leads, we're on our way. Alpine horizon. $1,400. I mean, yeah, dollar point, whatever. 1,400 point sell off yesterday. Unbelievable, guys. I haven't seen anything like that without major news. I don't know how long. It was bad. Unfortunately, I lost my Take Profit Trader account. All right, good luck. We'll catch up and I just realized we're about to open here, so. Short definitely a factor. Let's see what's going on. Gonna break up or break down. Not a huge fan of this long though, because of the trap right here, but we got it. Bullnox is acting up though. Bullnox is definitely acting up, guys. Bullnox didn't sell me out. Bullnox is having the same issue that you guys are having on Take Profit, the delays. So that's why I made more money on that. But let's go. Another win. We'll take that. Well, everything is fucking froze. Great. What's going on? Well, that was easy. Hopefully. If you didn't get caught short. All right. Now we're going to scalp the rest of the accounts and hit the likes, guys, because we will do a giveaway today. Oh no, YouTube's got the ad sign now for me too. What the hell? I don't see your actual names. I see your like at sign, your tag. So lame. I guess that's everywhere now. I see it everywhere. I'm trying to watch other streams really quick. Yeah, everyone's got that. It's lame. I also got a 25K Lucid account. Let's see what we could do with that. I don't even have my phone on me. I gotta get it because I'm sure I got a couple text messages from friends how they did on the ORB. So we had another $1 million payout yesterday on Apex. Unbelievable. And we're here trying to freaking make $10. Yeah, the lag is insane on bull unlocks. The free rhythmic accounts are getting destroyed. The free rhythmic server accounts. That is bad. Even though I think bull unlocks has, I'm logged into the regular bull unlocks one, but I think bull unlocks has a custom one, a private one now. I don't know if it's the volatility or what, but something is off. Which is not good. Which is not good because Rhythmic had a chance to kind of step in and show how good it is compared to Project X with all the Project X drama. Fidia's live account, you would use well, I have it. I could show it. I'll use this one. Rhythmic 01 US East because I'm on the East Coast. This is my I don't think I have anything in there. Let me see. No. Can't log in. I think there's a huge volume or something. I don't know. Kind of weird. We got PMI 945. Definitely choppy so far. I activated the past evals. It's not a good day yesterday. I lost my take profit trader. I thought I had the bottom. I was up $800 on my take profit trader. And I literally thought, all right, this is going to be it. And it wasn't it. I mean, I wasn't going to try to hold all day or anything like that, but You know, I wanted to make like 1,200 bucks. I stopped out and then I got back in. I don't know how long it's gonna take for them to. I passed one eval and then I reset one account. I had to reset because I was like, I can't be without take profit. Yeah, my rhythmic on Apex is working, but I know like on Bull Knox and stuff, it was lagging. It doesn't show that it's lagging now, but before it was. I'm gonna go get my phone. I'll be right back. Left it in my bedroom. Do I only have one TP? I only had one, yes. But I'm working on more. I'm gonna have two now. And then hopefully I gotta keep working on evals with TPT because I don't work on evals and then I need them and then it's too late. All right, let's start scalping here. Let's see what we could do. I passed Apex eval in the 150K, scalping for 11 ticks with 17 contracts yesterday. It was the greatest feeling ever. Yesterday was for history books, though. Yesterday was insane. Do you think Take Profit Trader will have a Black Friday sale? No, I think this is like the best sale they do. The additional sale that they do in compared to this one is they'll refund you the cost of your eval if you get it to pay out. So it's not really that great. What happened yesterday? I don't know. I mean, the market sold off 1,400 points straight down. I've never seen anything like that without major catalyst. I remember one Friday that happened. I don't know how, if that was 1,400 points, but I remember driving to work and trading, and the market just kept selling off all day. But I don't think it was that much because I was in the trade for a few hours. Oh, that was in February. I was driving to Canada. Oh yeah, that's when it was. I don't think that was as big of a day. It just was a complete trending there. Like the market closed yesterday at the lows. Like there was no wick on the bottom. Like that's crazy. There's no, oh, there was a little wick. I don't know how it closed at the bottom. I mean, I'm sure there was a catalyst of some sort. What I'm saying is like there was no major news or major announcements or anything like that, but we got news in 5 seconds here. What? That's it? That's all? That's all you got? That's all you got? Man. But that's why I like having this spread on QuantOWER. You guys saw right before the news how the spread was literally probably like 10 points. So if you got in on the market order there, you get completely screwed. Yeah, let's see. See if we're gonna break this 15-minute range. There's two sides to today, right? Everyone is expecting a sell-off because they missed it yesterday, or everyone's expecting a bounce because it sold off so much. So which one's gonna be? It's not that obvious. Yeah, right now it's pretty weak, but chasing weakness, but it's very weak. Of course, I found some kind of support here. So we're gonna go down to the lows. Guess not. All right, gotta stop out. Oh, I guess not gonna stop out. Fuck. All right, well, there's the scalping for the day. Couldn't get that right. Volatility is insane. I mean, that was 2 contracts and I was down 2 grand. Volatility is out of this world in this whole entire week. Okay, I'm gonna get out and we're gonna flip long. I think a long bias today is gonna be the way to go. I was just hoping that we would get down here first. Come on. Playing the trap here. Let's see. Yeah, the 50K accounts mid minis right now would be very tough. All right, 895. It's only 50K accounts, man. 50K accounts are not gonna work. You guys having issues with take profit, right? Yeah. I am on Apex, guys. Apex has their own server, so they're fine. But if you're, you know, Apex, when you log into Apex, you have a different login. Like, see, like you have to log into one of these servers. Bullnox, Day Traders, Earn to Trade, Fast Track Trading still on here. Wow. See, the fact that Take Profit Trader does not have a custom server is pretty bad. I don't know why they don't do that. We got to sign a petition for that. Monday's last day, I think. Whenever it says on their website where it ends, is their website not working again? The Apex website's not working again. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, it is. Never mind. 3 days and 14 hours. So today, yeah, Monday the 24th. Oh, they don't want to take 2 contracts, but couldn't find that X on the. 2 contracts is too much in this volatility. It's like it's almost time to trade micros again. See if we can retest the high of the day. Okay, we'll take that. It's $1,000. Yeah, gonna be long bias today, aggressively. That's it for, oh my god, I only got 50k accounts left to trade. That's not good. Oh, it's not good. Maybe I should trade ES. Oh, John Q, I think you just got lucky. I mean, I felt like the payout approval on Apex has always been randomized as far as timeline goes. It could be a day, it could be 5 days. But congrats. That's what matters. Not sure what to do. I don't know why Apex is lagging for you guys. It's not lagging for me. I wonder if this has something to do with that. My internet is pretty fast. So when it says on Monday, I can pass an account on Monday and activate it. Yep. Because it will end at midnight. So if it ends at midnight, you know, you're going to pass on Monday. And then by midnight, you just got to activate it. Ping was 2 milliseconds. What just happened, guys? My long bias just got erased, but I'm still gonna. I want to see if they're just trapping shorts. Secure another Bullnox payout. Let's go. I should be getting close. As far as P&L, I'm close to a payout on Bullnox, but I still gotta trade for a few more days. Won't get the payout till December though, so. Yeah, but these 25k accounts on Lucid are pretty nice. I don't know. I just gotta do the math if it's worth buying them because it's only $1,000 payout. So I'm like, if it's $1,000 payout, I could just do one 150k account and get a $3,000 payout. And it's the same thing. It's like having 3 accounts in one. But I guess with these, you got to make less profit total. And then you have 3 chances instead of 1. I don't know. Kind of hard to decide. But they were like $230 for 25k. You got to make $1,500 to make $1,000 payout, I think. With 20% consistency. So I'm trying to make a little bit of a cushion for myself. I've seen a couple people get unbanned, but very few. I wish they would just come up with new rules, new setup, and like a live transition and unban everyone. But here's the rule. You can't make more than $20,000 per account. Your max total payouts is, let's say, 500,000 or something over a lifetime. I don't know, something like, or just do a clean slate where it's like now we can only make $100,000. 100,000 wouldn't be enough. Maybe like 250,000. How many days would I need to win ORB on a fresh PA account to reach payout? Them spreads just opened up. See the spreads? Like the big gray box, that's spreads. I guess we had some news at 10 as well. I would need to win with this size that I currently have, which I usually trade bigger size, but with the size I currently have, it would have to be on a 50K account. It would be 10 days, and on 150K account, it would be, depends what size payout we're talking about, 12 days for minimal payout. But that's because I'm trading very small size. Usually on the 150Ks, I trade bigger size, but if the ORB loses, then I break the rules of the drawdown. So it's kind of like, then I take one loss and then I gotta wait another payout cycle. But how these guys get the big payouts is they get out of the safety net quickly. Getting out of the safety net is such an important key factor. I should do what I did in August or July, whatever. I don't know when it was. I said, I'm going to get my accounts to safety net and then stop trading them and try to get as many accounts to safety net before I keep trading them. So basically yesterday I lost 2 accounts at safety net. Like I should have never traded them, right? Like I should just, when I get to a safety net, just don't trade the account and build up that way first. And then once I have whatever 15 accounts at safety net, then start trading them. And then payouts will come quick. Do they give you a reason for a ban? Typically, no. They'll tell you that they're evaluating you for live, but they're not. I mean, they might be, but most people blow their accounts. So that's also something that no one talks about. Everyone blows the account afterwards. But I don't know. Apex just does not have the right approach for live accounts. They got to fix that. But they can't make it like other prop firms where they put you live after 2 payouts. That's just becoming a thing nowadays, you know, with these new prop firms. And it, like Elite Trader Funding puts someone live after 1 payout. Like, how dumb is that? The problem is you forfeit all your profits, you know? You work so hard for your profits and you got to forfeit them. And what the hell is going on? Is this the start of another crazy sell-off? That's already 150 points. All right, we just hit previous day's close. I'm actually surprised I could risk that much. Volatility did go down a little bit. Come on, give me a little bit more. There you go. 591. Moving on. Yeah, I used to like Elite Trader Fund. I was getting excited with them for a little bit because I had some big balances on my 250K accounts. And then they smacked me with the live. I made $11,000 with them in payouts before I got live account. I made some money on the live account too, but then I went on the batch streak in September, so. I don't know, this is just very strong. Jesus. We're cooking today, chat. We're cooking today. One more account to trade. That's it. I'll scalp more on the other ones though. Gotta try to grow the balances. Unless we work on some take profit trader evals maybe. This thing doesn't stop. I try to make some bigger profit on this one account. Make like $1,200-$1,300. Let's see if we could do it. Try to be patient. But yeah, make sure you guys hit the like button if you guys want to do a giveaway. Got a 50K take profit trader eval to give away. Come on, trap, work. No. Just trying to make more money on this one PA, but should have just taken the profit I had. I'm gonna blow it. Worth the $40 though. Volatility is so insane. Look at this, 25. That is crazy. All right, we blew one. Not bad. I'll take that. I try to make more profit. Otherwise, I would have taken. I was up you know, $400. All right. Do I want to trade some take profit trader evals now? Maybe. But they're on Tradeovate. Did I try funded next or funding ticks? No, I have not. But I've heard good things. Choppy day so far. Damn, sucks I lost that one. Would have been a beautiful day. Would have been a beautiful day of PNL if I got that win. As soon as I said I want to go for a bigger win, I knew. I just knew. It's always like that. All right, this is Take Profit Trader eval halfway past. Let's start it long, see what happens. As good as long it looked here, it's giving me bad vibes that it's gonna break down. Hopefully not. There we go. Come on. Get a pop. Like 20 points. I could sell one. Or not. I think we just gotta wait for the obvious long. I think that if there's a long, it's gonna be so obvious. Right now, it's kind of like in this. I'm anticipating a long. I'm not joining the long trend, right? Kind of unknown territory right now. Oh, fuck. Oh, sometimes I just wonder, why don't I just crisscross these accounts? So easy to get them halfway past, but then once you want to get them fully past, it just... Come on. Really? Damn, guys, today might be another day of death. This is looking weak. But in grand scheme of things, this is nothing really. Still chopping around. We'll see. Can we get a bounce? Nope. Lower highs. What happens if you broke the, or what happens if I broke the 30% drawdown rule on Apex on a losing ORB day? You get denied a payout when you get to a payout. Mr. Polish Soccer, well, sorry about your incident, my friend. You will get automatically entered into a giveaway. Tried to fucking sell. Couldn't even sell that. Unbelievable how fast that sold off. Jesus. I tried. I just said, nope, nope, nope. You want to ask? No, no, no. You got to hit the bid or you're not getting anything. So that was fun. That was a fun, fun little tease. I feel like it's going down. I feel like I should just get out when I have profit. I feel like it's still going to go down. It's not going to be the bounce yet. I feel like it still wants to go down here in this territory. Fuck, guys. Another eval with Take Profit Trader gone because of greed. Why am I so greedy on these evals? Why do I want to pass them in 2 days? Go up. Oh, what a candle. Just me, as the mic muted? Just you. Could never hold that even in evals. Why not? I could hold that even in PAs. I have no problem holding losing trades. I have a problem holding winning trades. Like, I'm more nervous now than I was here. Why don't you trade your TPT accounts on QUANTOWER? Because when you're live, you can't. When you have a live account, you don't have an option for QUANTOWER. Damn. Still going lower, but at least we got off one contract and our average is pretty good. Like right now, here we are down only 275. So well, that was a bad ad. Sell that. I wish I could just read the markets when they're weak, but I just don't know how. I don't know how to do that. I get run over every time I try to short weakness. What if I broke the 30% drawdown? Well, until you request a payout, that's not going to reset. That's going to stay in your account. And then when you request a payout, then you're going to get denied, and then you have to restart it again. I copy trade and I trade individually. I do both. Rainy day. I do both. All right, let's try this again. Come on. Yeah, the volatility is insane. I mean, I just had $2,000 and I have zero in what, less than 10 seconds? So you would think making $9,000 or $4,500 would be easy, but it's not. Come on. Come on, baby. All right, $1,000 away from passing. We need that. Maybe eventually I could get to 5 take profit accounts. Oh shit. Yeah. Apex is frozen. Oh, we just made new highs, I think. No, we didn't. Yeah, everything is lagging, even trade of 8. Unbelievable. What is going on, guys? Yeah, QUANTOWER not working at all. I sold the top. I sold the top there, damn. Like, very lucky. I mean, I had my stop. I had a stop here, so would have been stopped out, but still. Congrats, Christopher. Robert, very nice. Just remember that you could always make more, and the voices start to creep in. So if you're happy with $500, just shut it down because it's so tempting to try to make more. Yeah, my QUANTOWER is not working. I guess we're gonna trade this other eval. And these two hopefully will... Like it says I could trade both Pro and Pro Plus, but as long as you have more than 5. But I'm waiting for these to move to Pro Plus. I'm not touching them. Holy shit balls. I gotta get my BDH t-shirt on. Sorry, I was looking for tea times. How's that going, Patrick? How's that going? Got billboards and stuff. That's crazy. How to tell if a man is rich? He's got billboards everywhere. You don't need Lambos, just get billboards. At least in New Jersey, that's how they are. It's like, I looked into it. It was like, a nice campaign was like 100,000 for a bunch of billboards. I appreciate that. We're gonna do a giveaway, guys. We're gonna do the 50K Take Profit Trader giveaway, and we'll do a second prize for the donation. How is a Bitcoin prop firm work? We should definitely try it. Trade, learn how it works, symbols. Has anyone fixed the lag on Apex? I don't have any idea why that's happening right now. It was fine all morning. I stopped using it and all of a sudden it doesn't work. I don't know. I guess we're gonna go back to Take Profit Trader because I'm gonna restart my QUANTOWER, but my blown account's gonna disappear, so don't mind that. Let's see if that's the issue. Sometimes you have to restart QUANTOWER. No, the lag is definitely not Cloudflare because unless Rhythmic is on Cloudflare, which I doubt it. Let's see. Am I logged in yet? Still logging in. Okay, now it's working. And we're selling off again. Unbelievable. Okay, let's see if we could get a nice double bottom. Just gonna leave that order out there, see what happens. I would love to get this other take profit trader close to passing. It could be close to 5 accounts, the closest ever. But we got 250 people watching. Let's get to 200 likes and then we could start thinking about the giveaway. I'm thinking about playing golf today, so gotta be patient. Okay, two-legged pullbacks coming, I think. All right. Market's on the way to giving back the gains. What gains? What gains are you talking about, sir? I mean, I guess if this is what you consider gains, then yeah, it's giving that up. What a meltdown, guys. What a meltdown last 2 days. Definitely witnessing crazy markets. And it's so wild because yesterday started pretty slow, was choppy. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was pretty volatile, but nothing crazy. And then yesterday was just a normal day, and the range was pretty wild as far as the ATR, but there was no sign of any kind of like sell-off. It looked like a range day. The ATR was pretty wide, but that was the case the whole week. And then all of a sudden, we get this massive sell-off. Okay, I'm trying to buy this support, see if it holds at all. That was the low of yesterday or this morning. And on take profit, I have a long at 89 for a two-legged pullback. All right, we're in. We are in. Come on, hold. With two contracts, I don't think I'll be able to survive to the lows. Come on. Are you kidding me? Couldn't even get 10 points. There we go. All right, now we can set a break even stop and let it work. Up like $2,000. Nope. I made 1,500 there. Not the worst. Who's got the best evals? I don't know. I only trade with Apex, take profit. Lucid, I go straight to funded, so I don't even know what their evals are. The evals on Lucid are pretty expensive, so I prefer straight to funded. I'm assuming next week we're gonna have some nice deals. I would hope. You could activate the same day on Lucid. Isn't Lucid one of the cheap? Is it? Let me see. Damn, I got screwed on this stop. Lucid test. $81 one-time payment. Let's try this. $81 for 50K. That's pretty good, actually. But the fact that you could pass it one day and activate in the same day, how is that possible? On what account? It can't be on Rhythmic. I probably just messed that up. There's no way it's on Rhythmic. The 25K evals are crazy. Ooh, all right. Let me buy. Let's do that. Do a little Lucid challenge, shall we? Is TradeAway easy to use? Yeah, one of the easiest platforms to use. Very easy, straight out of the box. And yeah, that was a bad stop. Damn it. Could have done really well on this eval. Right. It's a 11 tick scalp, not 8 ticks, but it says 8, but actually 12 ticks. Trying to get closer to to passing here. Would love to pass 5 take profit. If I could have 5 take profit trader accounts into December, that would make my year, I think. That would make my year, I think. Okay, we're gonna give this a couple more trades and then we're gonna move on to Lucid and see if we could pass one of the 2 evals. But is there an activation fee on Lucid? Forget. Damn, $81. It's not bad. The cool thing is you can't blow their evals in one day either. They have a daily loss limit. I always do the second buy. Like, why? Don't do that. Okay, let's get out of this for profit and call it a day on this account. Don't think that's gonna happen. What a bad entry up here. Damn it. Right into resistance, right into like previous resistance or previous support. Like terrible. Terrible, terrible. Just let me out so I could move on, please. Definitely want to do more trade day as well. The one bad entry is causing me to lose this account. Oh man, please bounce. Please bounce here. There we go. Thank God. All right, I'm done. 2,400. I'm done with take profit. Need 2,100 and then 1,100 next 3 days. So that's pretty solid. All right, let's log into Lucid and try this eval. All right, let's see if we could do this. How much do I risk on take profit trader or ORB? I do the same as Apex. Like today would have been 1,100. Sometimes it's 1,500. All right, where do we begin? So we got to make $3,000 without losing 1,200. Or we could crisscross, make $1,200 on one, and then we just got to make $1,800 more. Ooh, trade bum. I'm sorry to hear that. Black Coffee Trader, hope everything is good. Let's start this party. I don't think so, Alpine. I don't think so. Crazy how fast. Today's just not my day. I mean, I did well in the beginning, but now every single trade I take goes against me first. I win on the trades, but every trade goes against me first. I don't understand. How can I top tick this so bad? How can you top tick this so fucking bad? Should have just hedged them. Should have just hedged them. Would have made $1,200 at least on one account. All right, get me out, get me out, get me out. All right. Daily loss limit. Well, that didn't start well. Volatility is insane right now, and I am getting ripped to shreds. How do you buy the top tick? How do you do that? When it's making a higher low, pulls back, traps, you would think that it's going to break out, and then it just shuts the door. Am I giving out a take profit trader 50K? Yes, I am. Well, that didn't work, guys. We got one more try here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This is the most insane price action. So volatile, and you can't get 5 ticks in your direction. It's insane. Like we say, you can't use tight stops. Yes, you can. I just took 2 trades, one on Take Profit Trader, which I ended up winning, but went against me a lot, where it does not go more than 2 points in my direction. That means if I use that entry and I had a 2-point stop, I would not get stopped out. It's doable. It is doable to trade super volatile markets without getting stopped out. Definitely is doable. I just did it 2 times. You are doing better than yesterday? I don't know. Yesterday I was doing pretty well. Till the very end. I took like 30 trades in a row yesterday with the win. And then the market decided to have a sell-off party. So yeah. That's pretty cool. Like, you know, you don't blow these accounts in one day. You hit daily loss limit and you try again. Maybe Monday I'll have a better read. I'm rushing. Obviously, I'm trading so many accounts one at a time. I'm always trying to be in a trade. That's not the way to trade. I know that. Like right now, I'm waiting for the lows. Right there this is where the long potential is very, very high for me. Right in this area here. We need to get this down here. You had previous day's lows or this morning's lows, whatever you want to call it. and then see if we could hold that and then bounce. Right now, all we are doing is making lower lows, lower highs. Would you say Take Profit Trader is the best firm to go for overall? Longevity wise, yeah. But you need other prop firms because when you blow your Take Profit Trader accounts, you have 5 days of eval. So you can't go 5 days without trading fundeds. Like you need a balance, I think. And the key for Take Profit Trader right now is to get to the live account. That's the goal. Even though I did really well on the sim funded as well, but now that I have the live account, I would hate to go back to sim funded. We'll join the short trend. Let's see how badly we get screwed. Make sure you guys hit the likes. As soon as I'm done with this account, we'll start the giveaway entry. I think I'm gonna be done. I am not trading well anymore. Traded pretty well this morning. Now I'm trading like crap. I think it's because of the chop. High volatility and chop just don't mix well with small accounts. I don't use Top Step because of Project X for the most part, and pretty expensive. 150K on Top Step is $300. No, messages don't get deleted. I can't respond to every single message. Like when you say something when I'm looking at my charts, I might miss it. Let's see if we could get a little little help here. All right, good. All right, so we made our first $400. So now we have a $1,600 loss limit. But when does Take Profit Trader take you live? Well, I've heard it was $20,000 in consistent payouts, or if you make $10,000 in one day in one account. That's always been the case. $10,000 in one account, always been the case. But now they also are doing they're doing a transition after you make consistent payouts. Again, why don't I use Top Step? Project X mainly. I used to use Top Step. Project X, I just don't like, can't copy trade or anything like that. So I'll probably do it again eventually. We'll see what the prices are with the top step once they get rid of activation, which I think is going to be coming for Thanksgiving. Do they keep some of your profits as buffer? I don't know exactly how that works, because I was in a weird situation. I requested a payout, my final payout from TakeProfitTrader, and then I ended up blowing the account, and then I started new accounts. I had 2 new accounts, and then I got transitioned to live. So I wasn't like at buffer, I wasn't requesting payouts. This was maybe a week later, right after my last payout, and then I got the email for going live. I started at 0 in my Pro Plus accounts, and now I pass an eval. Like these evals that you see me trade here, I pass that, I go straight to live at 0. Like there's gonna be the balance gonna be 0, and then any dollar I make, I could take it out. Like if you go live when you have your TakeProfitTrader accounts with buffer, yeah, then you're gonna your buffer is gonna be your profit, I guess, for the live account. How do you handle toxic trailing drawdown? Depends how you trade, William. Sometimes if you trade a certain way, trailing drawdown will kill you and you will hate it. But I'm a scalper, so for me, trailing drawdown does not really affect me that much. But the biggest thing is with trailing drawdown is once you take a loss on an account, so let's say you take $1,000 loss of drawdown. So it doesn't matter if it's, you know, if you lost $1,000 or if you were up 1,000 and you stopped out break even, you lost $1,000 worth of drawdown. Your account now is static drawdown until you recover that loss. Okay, so that's the biggest mental trick that you could use for yourself. For example, here you see me, I have $4,000 in this account in profit, and my drawdown is 3,900. The maximum drawdown on this account, it's a 150K account from Apex, it's $5,000. If the drawdown is below $5,000, it's static. Okay, no one thinks of it like that, but this is actually $3,900 worth of static drawdown. Not even, obviously end of day as well, same thing. But it's $3,900 worth of static drawdown. Until I make at least $1,000 more. But then on this, in this case, the drawdown will stop, but I don't have another example to show you. I talked about this a couple days ago. When a lot of these accounts were almost blown last week. They were down to like $1,500 worth of drawdown, and I recovered them. So it was a pretty good week overall, I guess, except losing those 2 accounts yesterday that were pretty much at payout. One was at payout already. Yeah, I only use Ball Knocks at 90% off. There's no reason not to wait. They do 90% off quite often. But like, Lucid is better than Ball Knocks. You know? Again, we missed that low. That low just does not want to play today. Yeah, Bullnox used to be my favorite too. I mean, never my favorite. It was always like, it still is in my primary uh prop firms. Like I'm always gonna try to be funded with them because I'm not live with them yet. Once they put me live, then that's completely changed. I top ticked it again. Unbelievable. See what I'm saying? Every single entry I take today is a top tick, and you have to realize that in order to have a good day, you can't. Every trade should be going in your favor, not against you. Today, I am done. I am done trading for today. This is just the last eval I'm touching, and I am done. I was planning on trading more of my funded accounts, but not gonna risk it. I can't get a single trade to go in my direction. This one did a little bit. But most of the time when I'm entering without placing the order ahead of time, I am top ticking or bottom ticking. And look how much this went against me first. 40 points. 40 points against me. And I'm going to hit a max daily loss on 2 of these accounts. I went yesterday, I couldn't lose until the sell-off. I could not lose, right? Every trade was instant wins. Today is the opposite. You just don't feel in tune with the market sometimes. Let's see if this breaks out. Probably won't. Oh, it does. Yeah, so I have a question. Why did this break out and this didn't? Why did this stuff and this did not stuff, right? It's always, I'm always mistiming it on days like this. And now what? Still got 600, I mean, $2,400 left to pass. There's just no way. There's no way to pass in one day. Like this volatility is so weird. Because if I try to go for my 10 tick scalps, I don't think that would work. I just don't feel like today is the day for that. We're going to try one trade, see what happens. But keep hitting that like button, guys. We will be doing a giveaway momentarily here. We're going to do a Take Profit Trader 50K eval and then $50. And then a $50 gift card or whatever. PayPal. Yeah, that's what sucks about Take Profit Traders. When you reset, when you blow your accounts and you got to reset, it takes forever, right? Did you do any of the daily payout plans on my fund futures? No. They didn't look that good. What would you say is the best prop for him today? Take Profit Trader. Because of daily payouts, the transition to going live, it's an improvement. It's a privilege to go live with Take Profit Trader. Unlike other prop firms, it's a punishment. There's nothing about Take Profit Trader that makes it like there's an end point, there's an end game. Like Apex, yeah, you can make a lot of money, but there's an end game to it. Once you make 1 million, whatever, you're done. Every other prop firm, you know, you get a few payouts and you're going to live, and once you blow the live account, you're done. You know, there's end games. Take Profit Trader does not have an end game at the moment. There's no ending. You could actually trade with Take Profit Trader and feel like it's sustainable for long term. And that was a nice 100-point dump. All you have to do is short up here, cover here, and you pass an eval. Easy. So easy. Let's go. Getting a fence installed, paying for it in 1 week. Nicely done. How old is Lucid? How old is Lucid now, guys? I could kind of find out. I think April. So I trust them, but they're one of the prop firms that are newer that didn't make any changes, like significant changes to their rules and payouts. I just tend to have a hard time passing their evals, so I typically do straight to funded. One second, guys. My mom's calling. All right, let's start this giveaway because it's almost 12 o'clock. By the time we do the giveaway, it's going to be pretty late. I don't know if I'm going to pass this. We're halfway, though. We're halfway, so there's a chance. Because now, remember that our daily loss limit is now $2,600 instead of... Oh, my God. My mom always does this. Calls me right back. Oh, never mind. Maybe she always... Your parents do that, too, where they hang up and they call you right back because they forgot to say something. All right. We can start the giveaway now. Probably 10 minutes. We'll start the race. There'll be two prizes, a $50 gift card and a Take Profit Trader 50K eval. Chop, chop, chop. Keeps on chopping. You would think I would be able to do 20 tick scalps today, but you would need only like 4. Okay, we're crossing the halfway point. Yeah, we gotta wait though. We gotta wait now. This is overextended. This would be so cool if we could pass this. This might be my challenge next week. Try to get to 5 Lucid accounts, but the 50Ks are pretty small. Need bigger accounts. I think Lucid puts you live pretty quick nowadays too, no? Anyone know? Okay, we're at the 50-minute high. No, 50-minute low, sorry. She's still going higher. I'll do 2. Come on. Yes. 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 Send it. $800 away, guys. $800 away. It's looking like a squeeze now. $700 away. $500 away. Getting closer here. Pressure's on. We want to test the same day activation on Lucid. Like that, I didn't even know that existed. I think this wants to break out. Oh my God. $200 away. $200 away. Oh, so tempted to take this breakout. Even though I hate breakouts and we have some resistance here. Just wait for a dip. Let's wait for a nice dip. We need 2 11-tick scalps. Or 12 ticks, I think. At least. All right. One more scalp, guys. One more scalp. And we're gonna pass this Lucid. I'm like locked into this chart. What could go wrong? Yeah. So we have $100 profit and 3,000. No, like almost $4,000 drawdown. What could go wrong? All right. Let's see how long it takes to be able to activate it now. Oh shit, like it's so fast. Like it already knows I made 2,900. So it's just missing that last trade. See how long it takes. I want to do more, but I'm not gonna push my luck. We'll do it. We'll do it next week. Okay, it's still not there. should be any. Oh, there it is. Upgrade. There you go. And we got a funded account. How crazy is that? 2 minutes after passing, you get a freaking nice pine tree. All right, let's do this giveaway. It's gonna be giveaway time. I just got logged out of Lucid because they're activating my new account. You're a Lucid Pro. You've proven your skill. Time to start getting paid. All right, now we got two Lucid accounts. Let's do this giveaway first before we even touch this account. I don't even know the rules or anything. We gotta. What's the consistency? Is it still 20% or is it 35%? Ah, 35. That's sweet. All right. Sorry, guys. This thing was not accepting anymore. Oh, it just turned off, though. All right. I'll give you an extra minute. The last few people that entered did not get into it. I'm going to put the members in. Okay, I got 5 members in the chat. Is that it? Members get free entries to the giveaways. And then I have a friend who had a car accident yesterday, so he's automatically in the race. He hit a deer. I don't know if he's even watching, but GG's, you're already in. There he is. All right. 11:45. We got Evan. 11:45 closing the entry. So you got 50 seconds. Ten seconds. Most of you guys are in already. If you're not in, better luck next time. Alrighty. Let's pick 10 more names. 10 more names into the list. So how this works is we have our channel members. So they're already in the race. And then we're going to pick 10 additional people. And we'll find out who gets to win the Take Profit Trader eval. And then we're going to pick one more person for a $50 Venmo or PayPal. All right. Thanks to Patrick. All right. Mark Across is number 1. Number 2 would be Jacob. Number 3, Worlds Away. Number 4, Kevin G. Number 5. That's the problem. Now it's even this is doing the @ sign. Fredris. Number 6. He would have been in anyway. Well, this is our friend that is automatically in. It's a good sign. Oof. John S. We'll call you John S. Because can't pronounce that. Ice Crexus. Congrats. Number 8 will be J Mills. Number 9, Cray Mac. I don't know. Cray Mac. These names are killing me. And last but not least, is Savage in the chat, Miss K? I didn't see him. I saw him earlier. Last but not least, I am Bruce Lee. Savage, are you in the chat? Nomadic, yes. Nomadic, I missed Nomadic. Evans in. GG's in. Let me show you who the members are. We got Miss K, Pine Tree, Black Coffee Trader, Polish Soccer, GG's, One Sport, Nomadic, Evan. Those are the members. All right, and then for the $50 giveaway, we'll pick one lucky person. All right. So we'll do the race for the 50K Take Profit Trader eval. And then the $50 giveaway will be just one lucky person. In here. So you could still enter for the $50 giveaway. You can't enter for the 50K Take Profit Trader eval. All right, we got 18 names. We got 2 minutes on the clock. We're going to set the grid. All right. We got the members down below. Good luck, everyone. 50K Take Profit Trader eval on the line here. I'll be right back.
Happy Friday! Here we go. Another giveaway. I told you guys on Wednesday or Tuesday that I'll be back. Here we go. 2-minute race. Who is going to take that evaluation with the best prop firm in the streets right now? We got, it looks like 18 cars. We got Miss K leading the pack in a pink Ferrari. Would you look at that? Alright, any 911s? Who's got a 911? Any? None? Oh wait, we got Kevin. I think Kevin. Nope, not Kevin. Fredris. Fredris is in 911. There's only one 911. What? No, there's two. Who's in the second one? GG's. Okay, GG's. I like it. I like it. Well, let's see who's gonna take it. Oh, Miss K. Where are you going? Where are you going, Miss K? Look at, you gotta do what Pine Tree's doing. See, he's falling back. He's getting ready. Black Coffee Trader, he's always in the same car, it looks like. Black Coffee Trader has won this race a few times in the past. Who's going to take the win? Too soon. Premature acceleration from Miss K. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Having some fun on this Friday. Good week. Crazy volatility and NQ. I think. I don't know. I don't trade. I just do giveaways and play golf. Here we go. 30 seconds on the clock. Get your tires ready. Get your boost ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Go, go. Hit the boost. Oh, look at John. John is really taking off like a rocket ship. Miss K is falling back. J Mills in the Acura is still holding. Oh, I think he ran out of the boost. Oh, Pine Tree's creeping up in his McLaren. Pine Tree in the McLaren. Trading must be going really well. Here we go. Oh, John S. Wow. Wow, I don't think we've ever seen that before where from 20 seconds in the lead, he stayed in the lead and won the race. Congratulations. Wow. That was something. His boost button just never ran out of boost. Well, congrats to John S. The hardest name in the giveaway today. Of course. Someone tag him. It's John something, something, something. There he is. Wasn't a trade. Wow. He's winning trades and winning races at the same time. The man is a legend. Alright, guys, we got $50. $50 now. Gonna clear the board. Alright. So this is a clean slate. Everyone is still in. We're gonna pick one name out of the bunch, and you'll get to win the $50. Here we go. You guys ready? Closing it in 20 seconds. $20 seconds has passed. I want to let Alpine get back to trading. So here we go for $50. Going once, going twice. And the winner is Barsley M30 or M30. Congratulations to the winners. I'm taking off. I'm going to go play some golf all weekend. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye-bye.
All right. So Barsley and John. John, you're going to send me an email. Do I do Wise? No. PayPal and Venmo only. If you don't have it, then unfortunately, I'll just have to add you for next giveaway or something automatically. Anyone wants to join the Discord, here's a link. And this market's ripping now. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's the opposite of yesterday. We're just going to keep on ripping. Want to get us in there. Start the day on our new Lucid account. Come on, one more candle. No. Oh, I have the worst luck. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles, and of course the 10th one had to be red. Wants me to get back in though. But now I'm in way higher. Come on, just get it. Nice ripper candle. There we go. Why does it have to sell off though? Fuck. I'm getting frustrated now. Why does it have to sell off so freaking violently? Well, they don't want to hit max daily loss on the first day of this account. Should have just scalped. Should have just scalped. Yep, I got your email, John. Should have just scalped. Damn Trying to find the email to email the thing, but oh my god, I'm gonna hit the max loss. Fuck. Partners. Damn it, I missed the move. I missed the move, so I jumped in, and now it's the pullback. The timing is impeccable. And I was up from this. Well, I'm gonna have to restart on Monday, but it is what it is. Fucking terrible entry. Bad luck, terrible entry, whatever. It is what it is. Monday we'll try better. Gonna try to pass a couple more evals with Lucid, but this was just badly executed chase trade. Should have just scalped. I mean, if I scalped, that would have been fine. Right? If we just scalped, we would have been so fine. Imagine we survived this. That would be insane. How much did I take out of that? 12 points, 10 points. I don't think Lucid likes scalping though. Just go have fun. Yeah, I don't think I can though. Too much going on at the house. My dad's coming back. I have some new Christmas tree lights coming in, and maybe I'll start decorating the house because it's not too cold out. I am working on my office, as you guys could see. Probably, I'm playing golf tomorrow and Sunday, so maybe that's enough. Maybe today is just. I had a really bad session yesterday with golf at the sim. The love-hate relationship with golf is so real. I am using QUANTOWER. Why didn't we get a continuation here? I'm trying to remember. Get any resistance, I guess, maybe a little bit. See how the traps always play out when you're on the wrong side of it? This is why I started trading traps. So we have a pullback, new lows, where previous highs becomes a trap, and it just works really well. Need this to go up so I could get out and call it a day on a positive note. Yep, just your email. They're going to transfer it over. It's going to take a couple hours for them to transfer it. Plus 273 points. What do you mean? Did I get back to 20 accounts with Apex? No, I have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I guess 14 only. Damn it. Because I lost 3 yesterday. Definitely need to try Monday. Who knows when the next time this promo will come. I should even try today, to be honest. Still got 4 hours to go. Feels like end of the day, but still got 4 hours to go. Imagine they do 90% off and 40% act. No, that would never. That would never be the case. Oh wow, we got filled. Only 520. Why did I think I was gonna make close to 1,000 on that? Well, at least I'll take that. I mean, almost blew. I mean, not blown, but almost hit the daily loss limit. So I guess I'll take that. No, I'm not saying only 5. I just thought I was gonna make a lot more because my math is not mathing today. Damn, this @ sign thing is so stupid. Like a lot of you guys, I don't know who you are because your name's different. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. And be happy with today. Good progress overall this week for the most part, except yesterday, but decent profit today. ORB was nice. All right, we got 2 funded Lucid accounts. The goal is to get to 5 next week. 20 Apex. I might do a couple more evals. I'll see how I'm looking later, and then I might buy a couple more 50K evals. If the volatility is nice, I might just do a little crisscross, a couple more evals just to get to like 16 accounts. The worst part about Apex is the checkout, to be honest. It's always just the one at a time checkout is just so frustrating. Did I get your email? Let me see. Yep, I did. Can you, I mean, I guess it's you since no one else emailed me. All right, guys. Yeah, Barsley, I'm going to send it over now. Hit the like button, guys. Don't forget code Alpine to support the channel. Best ever Apex sale is going on. We could do it still till end of Monday. So today is probably a good start. And then Take Profit is my go-to. Hopefully could get back to my pro account soon. My Pro Plus account soon. Emailed them yesterday. We'll see if they get it to me by Monday. All right, guys. I'll see you all Monday. Be good. Be safe. Have a great weekend. Thanksgiving week next week. So a lot to be thankful for. And short week. So we'll see how it goes. Volatility, insane. But we'll see how the trading goes. Later, guys. See ya. Thanks for tuning in.